Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Hacks from the Quarantine. I'm Patrick. I'm back down in the bunker with more info for you. I tell you what, I had some great feedback after the hair cutting video. A lot of you chimed in and said that's what I needed to get me through until I can get back in the shop. As a matter of fact, I'm seeing tons of videos pop up online to show you how to do it. I'm glad we could jump in front of that for you. And now you guys have followed up asking about products, what to use while I'm in quarantine, what to use and how to get through. Well, I'll tell you what. I decided to look under my sink and I pulled all of that underneath my bathroom sink. That's a ton of product because I test it all the time. But I'll tell you what, I always reach for tried and true stuff, things I know that are gonna perform. And when it comes to products, I know this one's gonna be one I pull out of the toolbox every time, and that is styling cream from Floyd's Grooming. That's right, a lot of our guys like products that can get in their hair and perform, especially right now as we're heading into nicer weather. This is a perfect product and I'm gonna show you why. Styling cream, cream is a key word. I can pull it straight out of this with a fingertip. That's all you need on towel dried hands. Make sure you work it all the way through and then start to work it through your hair. Get out of the shower, maybe towel dry it twice and then start to work it through. I got Jake back for another video. He's got hair that he wants to get up off that head and show some separation and definition. Styling cream is great to work all the way through that towel dried hair. Make sure you pop it in. It's gonna give you a natural finish and natural shine, something that looks really great and separates this hair and adds definition, but you don't have to worry about it throughout the day. I brought Jake's brother back, Jake the second, to show you exactly what it does. Here's this side, and you bet I scalped him on this side to show you the interior. This is what styling cream will do. It pops it up off that head, shows that definition, and gives you some of that lift. I'll tell you what, you can't get into the shop right now, and I know that's a pain. It's a pain for you and a pain for us, but I'll tell you, we made it easy for you. Go to our website, floydsbarbershop.com. We've got free shipping going on with all of our Floyd's Grooming products right now. Makes it handy to get it delivered straight to your door. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna be back with more hair hacks for you soon. Hang in there, everybody. We're hanging in there. We can't wait to see you back in the shop soon. I'll talk to you later.